If you've been curious about contrast therapy and been interested in trying it, then this is the video for you. We are on our way to do contrast therapy for the first time. I personally am excited because both of our bodies have been really, really sore.
My body's turning 40.
So, and he's turning 40 tomorrow. So we wanted to try something new. I'm curious to see like what we feel like afterwards. We've been drinking water. We're supposed to have at least 32 ounces of water before we get there, so I'm trying to do that now. Okay, this is Jake. What do you think the top 3 benefits are of contrast therapy?
Favorite benefits for the sauna is detoxing, sweating out all the toxins that we get. And then in the cold plunge, my favorite benefit is the dopamine increase, which dopamine is what helps you be motivated, be driven. It's when you're feeling like you don't want to do anything, it's because you have a lack of dopamine. So dopamine increases that motivation. And then the other one that's general of just going back and forth between the two is you're doing something that's pretty difficult. So my favorite benefit is the mental health, that you're feeling confident in yourself, that you're feeling good about yourself, that you did something hard today, and that translates into every area of your life.
You're trying to be all serious. I feel it. I thought I would be sweating. I'm not sweating. We've got a few more minutes before we have to do a 2-minute cold plunge. I'm feeling a little nervous about that.
What you nervous about?
Freezing cold.
All right,
Ready?
2 minutes.
2 minutes. Okay.
Oh!
See all the way in?
Yeah, as low as you can go. I sit on my bum. And then,
Camera's going right?
yeah, go. Light work. What's gonna help? Longer exhales. Nice.
Wow, you're right. Oh, this.
We've entered our second round in the infrared sauna, and I have a goal of the next time we get into the cold plunge pool or tank or whatever, to actually sit down. And you know, he's a little show off over here. He sat down all the way and he put his hands in and he's like, you should dunk your face next time. So we'll see.
I'm gonna go shoulders.
I'm really liking that this better than the dry sauna, because dry sauna is like it hurts to breathe. I feel like this just doesn't feel as hot, and the light, you know, it's kind of a vibe.
Get that breath going. Halfway there. Yeah. I love when 2 people go at the same time.
First I thought you meant in the same tank or whatever. He's like, Erin, we can't both fit. I'm like, hey, I would have tried it.
I have tried that.
Okay, I sat down.
It's shoulders
just
down.
so cold.
I was just neck above water.
We were gonna end in the sauna, but he said for muscle soreness and tightness and recovery, it's better to end in the cold plunge. So I think we're gonna end happens with another round.
Oh.
It actually gets easier.
I did it.
You did it. That was a lot of progress. You went to hands in the whole time and dunking your head.
Oh, God.
I got to my butt.
Yeah.
I did.
That's progress too.
Now that I am home and warm and back in my cozy clothes, I can definitely say that this experience was one that I would want to do again. The cold plunging got easier and easier each time we did it, and the infrared sauna was completely relaxing. I walked away from the experience feeling invigorated, ready for the rest of my day, definitely motivated. Jake was right. It does give you this sense of feeling like, look what I did, look what I accomplished, with that whole dopamine increased rise that he was talking about. My husband feels less stressed and definitely more awake. We both feel way less sore and refreshed. So I would absolutely try it again. I hope if you've been looking into contrast therapy and if it was something that you've been curious about trying, this was helpful. If you have any questions or any advice, maybe you're a contrast therapy pro, feel free and leave a comment in the comments below. That's where all the community happens on my channel. Here's to trying new things to feel and live better, and I will see you next time. Bye.